Can you see me? I hope you can see my face. Yeah, so I wanted to do a thrift flip. That didn't work out so good. It took me longer than I thought. I am already over my time of posting, so I'm sorry. But yeah, I thrift flipped one item and I'm gonna show you in this video, and then I'm gonna show you some more things I thrifted. It's not everything I thrifted, but it's like 5 items because I didn't want to do a video of only one thrift flip. So yeah, we're going to do that. Let's go. So here I just marked how high I wanted my pants to be. I guess I'm looking like a complete disaster. That's fine, it's Saturday. I'm going to put on clothes that I did not sleep in after this, because we're going to sew today. I already marked what I wanted to sew for thrift flip because these pants are too long. Yeah, I'm gonna sew this now. I think this is enough. That's about 1 meter 50 centimeters. Yeah, should be. Hello. Okay, now to the ugly part of the story. Fiddling this into my needle. Oh, it worked! Oh my god, no it didn't. Come on. Wow, it never worked that fast. I should always do this on camera. Yeah, here's me just beginning to sew. I did mess up a little bit because I didn't sew straight, but if you really look, you can only see it if you really look at the pants, so it's okay. There I am trying to even the legs because I didn't want one part to be longer than the other one. It worked out pretty well. I'm so proud of myself for doing that. Yeah, and then I just continued to stitch. Not stitch, sew. Oh, it is so late. I'm so sorry. And my cat is not helping me. He's begging to be let out. But what am I telling you here? Yeah. So I just continued to sew, and then after about 1 hour, I was finally ready with everything. Hey, so I think I'm ready. I made a little mistake on the second leg, but I hope no one can notice it, and yeah, I hope it's just unnoticeable, but one side of it is a little longer and the other is a little shorter, and here, if you see it, maybe, here there is this pleat, and it shouldn't be there. Like, that's where the two sides, one longer and one shorter, meet. But yeah, let's see how it is when I put it on. I think it looks pretty good for my first time really trying to make pants shorter. How should I call those? Pants, trousers? I don't know. British, American, English is so confusing. But yeah, I love how it turned out. Well, the first thing were obviously the pants. The second thing I got are these gorgeous shoes. They arrived literally 20 minutes before I filmed this video, and I am so proud to have them. They are so amazing and they are comfortable. I love them. I am in love. Then we have this beautiful jeans jacket that I will tell you more about in the following scene. And
Oh my god, I love this skirt so much. I got it today as well. It is so gorgeous. It is so beautiful. It is so amazing. I don't know how to describe it in words. It is not from this earth. Unfortunately, the video about me showing you the red jacket got deleted, but I will tell you about it now. Like, I got it for €1 at a thrift store, and it has been with me ever since. I love it to death. And yeah, I just think it's so cool. It's made out of fake leather.
I hope you're not too confused with the lighting. It has been raining all day, so the light outside is not the best. It's pretty dark, and it's also late afternoon, so yeah, I apologize. Okay, I got this jeans jacket in Prague. I went to a second-hand shop there, and I got it for €4. It was 110 Czech crowns. The only piece that is not thrifted in this outfit is this shirt. I got it at H&M for €7. I had been looking for a shirt like this for a while, so I did not thrift that. I feel kind of bad for it, but then again, I'm wearing it almost every day, so I guess it's getting okay by time. Yeah. This skirt just arrived today. I thrifted it online. It did cost me nothing. I exchanged this skirt for a jacket with another woman on that website, and it arrived today. I think it looks pretty good. I love it. I love this outfit in general. Like, yeah. And those shoes, they just arrived 20 minutes ago. I'm never gonna stop. I'm never going to put them off again because they are so comfortable. I love them so much already. Yeah, so that's it with this. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. I would be happy about a like, maybe a follow, and I will see you next time. My usual uploading times are Wednesdays at 16 o'clock, 4 p.m. German time, and Saturdays at 16 o'clock, 4 p.m. German time. Sometimes it is only Saturdays, but for most of the time it's Wednesdays and Saturdays. One of the unusual occurrences are when I don't post, because I have really much to do, like today. But usually I keep my time and I don't forget or don't have time to post. So yeah, if you want to see some videos that or you have some ideas how I could improve, then write that in the comments. And if there is nothing else to say, bye!